everybody, what's up? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pop. We always bring you the best stuff. All right, check this out. Today, if you watched the video or you didn't watch the video, go back and watch the video with the vegetable soup, okay? The vegetable soup, there was the solids that left over when I strained the soup. Today, I'm going to basically tell you exactly what I'm going to do with that part of the soup. So I shall return. Okay, welcome back, everybody. All right, what I have here, I have two silicone molds. Okay, and here's the vegetable soup, the leftovers when I strained it. All right, all this is, I blended up all the vegetables in the soup, and there's bell pepper, onion, garlic, carrots, and celery in this mix here. It's very flavorful. It's very delicious. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these molds, okay? I'm going to fill these molds up, and then I'm going to freeze them, okay? And when I freeze them, you know, if you know, like with a, what is it, like a cube, the cubes, what do you call those? The seasonings that you throw into your gravy to make your gravy salty or whatever. Bouillon cubes, excuse me. They have them in chicken, they have them in beef, and also I'm sure they have it in vegetable, but I'm making my own. Yes, they're going to be making them quite big, but once they're frozen, I'm going to cut them up and put them in a bag, and I can always have them. So let me start with one. All right. Let me just get it in here. Oh, well, I might be able to do one. Yeah, I might be able to do one. Let me get it all in. I thought I was going to be able to do two molds, but I miscalculated there. All right, I got it all out. Now, what I'm going to do, I don't want to waste any. All right. All right. I mean, you can use this on a griddle. If you have a Blackstone or any kind of griddle for outdoors for the summer, throw it down like into your rice or something like that. It's a home run for you. You already got it pre-made. All right. So this is going to be a short video. All right. And I'm going to freeze these into the squares if they are. Then remove them and then chop them up into little square pieces. You know, so. And basically, that's about it. But what I'm going to call this, vegetable bouillon cubes. Homemade vegetable bouillon cubes. That's what I'm going to call them. All right. For seasoning sauces and anything you want to season with it. All right. But it's called vegetable bouillon cubes. So I hope you like this video. I hope you try this. I hope you try the soup and then try this. All right. It saves you a lot of time when you're doing cooking and everything else. You have a lot of seasoning right in here. Very delicious. All right. So if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. I would really appreciate it. And y'all guys have a wonderful evening, and God bless you like always.